So welcome to this week's Tech I Want, where we cover the 4 hottest products of the week. So without further ado, let's dive in. Our first product of the week is the Bowio, or the David Bowie. Well, supposedly the creators made this thing because all other reading lights kind of suck. This thing right here clips on the side of your book. It illuminates the entire book evenly, so you don't have to mess around with this light. Yeah, it turns your old book into a Kindle. Now to our next product, the PurMe Air, which is a face mask that purifies the air with twin turbines. That's quite crazy. But this is the first one that actually makes you look like you're a fighter pilot. Like, you straight up put this mask on and you're like, you can straight up fly a jet. But I wouldn't suggest that because many of you are not qualified. The PurMe Air prevents you from getting hot, but you know what doesn't? Saunas, fires. And also this week's hot picks. The first hot pick of the week is a drone pilot flying his drone over an active volcano that is erupting. The second hot pick of the week is memory metal. What does that mean? Well, this metal right here clearly does not have dementia. It has memory. Yeah, where do they vote for this? In Facebook community group?
Join our Facebook community to put your vote, link in the description.
That's right. So you join our Facebook community group, you can vote for the hot pick of the week. And not only that, but you can also send in your hot picks for next week and the week after, the month after, the year after, even after I'm dead. You can continue to send your hot picks.
You're the fucking king of bullshit.
Not those kind of hot picks. So the next product that we have in line is the baseline Midlayer. So what is the baseline? The base. A very eco-friendly jacket made from recycled coffee grounds. Boom. With recycled coffee into a jacket, it actually prevents the jacket from smelling because it has antimicrobial properties. So not only will it keep your jacket pretty clean, but it'll also stop it from smelling. The cool thing about this jacket is that it has DWR coating, so it's also water resistant, rain resistant, tear resistant. Now moving on to the fourth and final product of this week, the Element Zero. This shoe is very sustainable. It's made from breathable anti-odor technology. It's machine washable. It can sustain waters. In their video on their campaign, they pour water in the shoe. And I thought they were gonna drink from it, but it didn't happen, sadly. Yeah, the shoes are made from recycled plastic bottles and nets. Just remember, backing is not buying. Just keep in mind that you're not an Amazon. You're not here to complete your cart and get your product within 2 days. This is crowdfunding. You guys are investors. So there are certain risks to take into account when you are backing, but that's why we're here, so that we can minimize those risks and give you products that are worthwhile to back. Be sure to subscribe, guys, and share, like, show it to your friends. Write in the comments what you think our favorite products are. Go into our Facebook group. Choose the hot pick of the week. That's it. That's the conclusion of this week's Tech I Want. We will catch you next time. Take care.